I love watches. I love to collect them. I think they're beautiful. And these watches, they are my favorite. Ciao, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to see you here today because I have something very special to share with you all. And I'm going to show you what you actually can get all in your package. So when you order your watch, there is a little extra charge for the bag and the box. And it's not that much of an extra charge, but when you get your watch, I ordered extra anyway because I really like that extra protection that it gives the watch, rather than ordering the watch and having it come just in a small, little tiny, small box. Tiny, teeny weeny box. Okay, you get my point? So it comes with this here. When you get your watch and you order the packaging, it will come, with this guarantee. So you get the guarantee with it, and it all comes in this box. This is the one that has a little extra charge, but really, if you're using the watch as a gift because Father's Day is coming up and you like to get your dad something extra special, or your hubby something extra special, this is the perfect option. So I will show you what this one is like. And you have the box opens. It will come looking exactly like this. Comes with this, it's a little bent here, but anyway, it comes with this fabric here, just protecting the watch box here. And it will open out like this, and you can pull the box out completely itself. The box is very beautiful all in itself. Really, the green is beautiful. The construction of the boxes are beautiful. They're very nice, and they're very hard, very sturdy boxes. So that's why I love them, because even the unboxing is extra special. So this is what your watch will look like. It will come like this here. In the back here, behind this little flap, you will see your warranty and also your certificate here. But also, I never did get to explain what's in the back of this here. And behind, on this side, is actually the manual. So if you need directions and how to operate or function with your watch, you will also get this. It's on the back of these cards. And it has a little space up here in behind the box that you will never lose it. Just put it there. She's tucked away for a lifetime. And it comes with also this here polishing cloth. The cloth too is very thick. It's a really good polishing cloth. And your watch will come with a little package of silica, and that's really just to protect the inside of your watch from moisture. So you won't get your watch in any shape that's other than perfect. So this is the watch, my friends. It is very beautiful. So as you can see, this watch, I will take it out of here. Oh, this is it here. It is really very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love this one actually. It's really beautiful. So this is actually called a GMT Master 2 watch. And the particular name that they have for this one is root beer. And it's called root beer because this part here, the bezel, is in two colors, black and brown. And you can move the bezel. It will move either way, so you can set the time. So this is the dial, and the dial has a black background. Actually, I think all of these have a black background, no other different color, but I think they all have a black background. And the numbers here, all around it, are, they glow in the dark. They have a lumi light to them, and they're very bright in the dark. They're beautiful. It has a date here, so it has the Cyclops magnifier right here, and you have the date there. But this watch is perfect if you are a traveler and you travel to different countries, this watch is perfect because you can set up to 3 different time zones on this watch. So for me, I love the fact because I'm sure most of you already know that I have friends that live in other countries, not my country, Canada, but in other countries. And I also have family members that live in many different countries. And even if you live in Canada, you know we have different time zones here. So if you have family or friends that live in a different time zone, even in your own country, this one here will be able to help you tell the time of different countries or different time zones. And the band here is an oyster strap band, but it's a 2-toned oyster strap band, and it has the silver, and this is called Ever Rose Gold in this brand. So you have the oyster steel, the silver color, and the Ever Rose Gold is this gold color. Actually, the 2-toned one is very beautiful. I love the contrast between the 2 tones of metal. They're very, very beautiful. And on the side here, where you can see the crown here, it has the logo of the watch. And the crown, you twist it backwards and then it will pop out a little bit for you, and then you can wind the watch. And they are very, very beautiful watches. So I'm sure that the person in your life that gets a gift like this is going to be very, very happy with you. So on the back of the watch strap, this is what it looks like. You pull this little logo here, you pull this open. This little clasp will release, and then you have another part here that you also pull open. So it's like double security here in the back of the watch. And you can also see that the logo of the watch is etched into the bracelet part of this watch. So this is what it looks like. And of course, when I wear it, it'll have to be sized quite a bit, but you can see the contrast in the 2 different colors with this watch is stunning. It's very, very beautiful. And the size of the watch, the dial here, is a 40. It's not a 41, and I always go for a larger faced watch or dialed watch. I like the 41s, but in the Grandmaster 2 or the GMT2 watches, they only come in the largest size of a 40, which actually is perfect. I love it. It makes a big statement piece, and you know, Shelly's all about making the statement. So this is the beautiful watch. I love it. It is stunning. So my friends, this is the GMT2 Master, and it is in the root beer because of the brown and the black. So you can turn the dial, you can set your time, you can do everything with it, and it's just all in one. It's a big, big winner. I love it. So my friends, I hope that you love that. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments in the section below. Follow my channel, like my channel, and share my videos, because I really do appreciate your help in helping me to grow my channel. And also, I will see you back here again tomorrow for another unboxing of something very special, like today's was very special. So enjoy your day, my friends. Love you all. Bye.